Hi everyone, welcome to your Watch Me First for week 7. Just like others, this is going to be posted right on the very top over here. So let's see what all do we have this week. This week you have your chapter 5 quiz, which is over here, and that quiz has 20 questions, 20 points, open board, and limited to 2 hours. Here is the PowerPoint for it. Here is the video. I also put something extra about the tangible and abstract population because this tends to be a confusing topic. So as you are working on the questions, make sure that you have this also with you. All the questions, like always, are like application based questions for you to really see what is the sampling that is going on. So what is another thing that you are doing this week? This week, the second thing that you're doing is you are making your outlines. So what I have done for the outline, and I'm going to move this one on the very top. So for the outline, I have your instruction and a sample template here. I have created an outline example, what it would look like for you. And then I have also put in the rubric. It is for 10 points. So let's look at this in just a little bit more detail. So when I open up the instructions, let's give it a second. You have to download it so that you can see the comments, but you can actually, I put a PDF so you can see it. So here are your instruction. You must have 8 headings. Now those 8 headings include the 3 level 1 headings, the introduction, the review of literature, and the summary. Introduction heading is not needed, so even if you don't include it, that's totally okay, but those are the 3 level 1 headings. I also put a picture over there. So I'm going to go down to the sample template. You're going to put your research question, your final research question. You have your introduction. You don't have to write anything. This is just an outline. Review of literature. So there is nothing that you need to write in between them. Component 1, subcomponent 1, component 2. All of these depend on your research question. What are the topics and the subtopics that you would want to include on your lit review? That's what you are submitting. So let me show you the sample that I have. Okay, so here's my research question. I have an introduction, I have a review of literature. This was my first level 2 heading. Within the level 2 heading, I had level 3, 2 of the level 3s. Then I had a level 2 heading. Now I did a bigger space here so that you guys could see. These are my level 2 headings. And then I have a level 3 because I wanted to really talk about socioeconomic status within the race and ethnicity. I wanted to talk about expectations, but I wanted to separate the expectations from parental and teacher expectations. And then I had the recommendations and then my summary. So this is what the outline looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 headings. Getting 8 headings is not at all an issue because this is already covered 3 here. So you basically just need 5 headings. But this is also your opportunities to really think about what should be my headings, what information should I be including and everything else. So that is what we have for this week. I have the rubric. Here is the rubric. It's a simple rubric of 10 points. The APA header. So I am going to notice the font size. I'm going to notice the font color. I'm going to notice the bolding, unbolding, all of those things. I'm going to notice the alignment, all of those things, the italics, all of those things are included in your APA formatting. So this is what your APA formatting. Okay, so this is your rubric. So what do we have this week? We have the chapter 5 quiz and the research outline. Okay, all right. This is their Watch Me First getting posted right in the very top. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Best of luck.